And he goes, they've all come because of me. I'll explain to him there's a nikah today, and there's a shahada today, and the sheikh has come especially, inshallah. Put your hand with the sheikh's hand. Repeat the words when the sheikh said in Arabic.
Ashhadu
Allah
ilaha
illallah
illa
Allah
Allah
wahda
wahda la
sharika lah
sharika
lah
la wa
ashhadu anna
ashhadu anna
Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Translation. Say, I believe there is none worthy of worship,
only Allah
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is his final messenger. I bear witness Allah is one. There's none worthy of worship. He is one. He has no partners. And I bear witness Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his perfect servant and messenger. And also I believe the Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, is one of the great mighty prophets of Allah.
He is one of the great mighty prophets of Allah.
Thank you. Congratulations. Welcome to the family of the Muslims, inshallah. May Allah bless you. Everybody will pray for you. The Shaykh will pray for you, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with all the blessings and also Allah ta'ala transform you and may you grow in your faith, inshallah.
Amen.